Hey guys, what's up? It's Aaron. A little bit different type of video today. It is the last time that I can go to my Rhody Rides car club meet of this year. So I thought I'd walk around, show you some of the cars that are there today. So it's probably really windy in this video, but sorry about that. So yeah, we'll see what kind of cars we see today. That's my friend.
Come on, you tell you in a Filica.
Oh god, that was disgusting.
One of my friend's new Z28.
Yeah, pretty much.
Say hi.
What's up?
Comes with a transmission.
A T56 or the auto?
Oh, it's an auto. It's like a Prius wagon. Actually, I
Oh,
get the
so
whole
you get the
car.
auto.
I get the whole car for free. So
5-speed.
The I was gonna say, I was like, wow, if you're getting a T56 with it, that's
Oh, that would
quite
be
the
nice.
deal.
No,
Considering the T56 transmission is pretty much worth it.
Yum 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 yum.
Sweet old Datsun here. It's at all the meets. It's got like a sword handle shifter. Sports seats. Took off the bumper.
That is so cool.
My little guy. My friend Sebring here. Nice two-door Sebring.
That would be such a great story.
So that's it for you guys today. It was a really small meet today, only like 5 or 6 cars. I really like that Z28. It's the second to last day of exams, so people aren't coming to the meets really anymore. People are home for the summer. So that's it for today, I guess. So if you guys enjoyed that, let me know down below. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.